Welcome to the face behind Motor Life. Today, doing a different video. We're doing an unboxing of Bosch's new SDS Max heavy duty power drill. So SDS drill. It's the new BITURBO brushless range. This is me doing something new. Been lucky enough to be selected by Bosch to test the tool, unbox it, give my opinion on it, see how it can help other people, what I'm going to benefit from using the tool. So for the next 8 weeks, I'm probably posting one video a week to do with the tool, my thoughts on the tool, and how I think other people could benefit from it. So yeah, I've not done many videos lately just because there's been things going on, but thank you for all those who have subscribed to the channel. I'm going to try and do some more videos in the next couple of months. It's just certain things have been going on. I've not been able to film as much as I'd like to. So yeah, I'm going to cut to the video now. Right, so today, as you can probably tell by the title, Bosch SDS heavy duty power drill. I've been lucky enough to be given this from Bosch to test out. So yeah, this is a little unboxing. I think it came Tuesday night, Monday night. I've just not had a chance to do a video yet. So it comes in this big box, and then inside the box you've got the drill, little instruction manual. I'm not too sure what that's for yet, to be quite honest. I don't. Anyway, comes with this, some lubricant, I assume for the drill bits. Comes with Bosch GAL 1880 CV battery charger. Yeah. Comes with an 18 volt, 8 amp massive battery, that. And then there's another one inside here as well. This is safety instructions, etc. for the charger. And then this is the instruction manual for the drill. I had a little look through it, and it just basically tells you the ins and outs about what each button does. So obviously on top here you have chiseling. Oh, made that cat hair gets up. Obviously that's hammer drill, forward rotation, hammer drill, rear rotation. And then down here, this is something to do with, so if you want to connect it to your phone, to Bluetooth lock, but when it runs on Bluetooth, it runs on a lower power mode, apparently. I'm not really sure what the Bluetooth capabilities smartphone is just yet, because there's not too much information that has come with the drill. But obviously over time I will find out. On the top here, there's a lock, trigger lock. Obviously some drills come where you push it left, push it right, and then if you leave it in the middle, it stays locked. So lock it, unlock it. At the back, you've got your battery. Now, the only criticism I had, I found it a bit difficult to take out, but now I've got the knack of it. Usually you just pull them in, pull them out kind of thing. This has got like a safety lock, so you push it in, and then you pull it out. Again, 8 volt battery indicator there. I have fully charged them just for the purpose of the video. So it's got, not sure if you can see there, it's got 3 different modes. So auto, favourite, soft. I'm not too sure how you customise them just yet, but obviously like I said, in the near future I'll find out how. So you press this little white button. Green means the battery's good. Obviously you've got battery indicators there. It does change as the battery gets lower. It turns orange when it's low power mode or whether it's overheating. So the warning indicator will say, obviously not say, but it'll indicate to say that you need to either replace the battery because it's overheating or let it cool down. And then obviously it'll go to red when it needs charging or it's dead. So that's the smartphone capabilities. Again, there's not too much information about that just yet. Obviously you've got your handle there, so locks off. There's a little light here, handy little light. Obviously it's not been used yet, so there is some lubricant in there. Again, I'm going to be getting to grips with this in the next couple of weeks. I'm going to find some jazzy jobs I can do, hopefully around site. I've got a couple of things planned. I'm assuming this is just specification for what drill bits to use for brick, stone, concrete. It has a bit of a breaker feel to it, so not so much an SDS drill. Obviously it says it's a heavy duty, but it feels more like a breaker, and I'm pretty sure it's got the capabilities to stand up to a breaker, but obviously we will see in the next couple of weeks. Again, like I said, Bosch have been kind enough to let me test this, which I am excited to try something new. This is the drill bit they provided. So 14mm, 200mm, oh sorry, that's 200mm drilling capacity and 340mm long. Yeah, on the side there it shows you. So I have got some other drill bits, I'm hoping they do fit. Obviously just little advisories there to wear safety gear whilst using the drill bit. But yeah, I am looking forward to it. I'm hoping that people are looking forward to watching. This is something a little bit different. Say hello to my cat. He loves getting involved. Yeah, so this is again just a little video. Bosch have asked us to do unboxing video. I know there's not really much to show you when you unbox a drill. But yeah, here's to the start of me testing out Bosch's new professional BITURBO brushless SDS heavy duty drill. So yeah, stick around and you'll get to see me hopefully destroy some stuff, because who doesn't want to see you do that? Obviously it's used for drilling, mainly used for drilling, but these come in really handy for taking down walls, for cleaning off bricks, changing bricks. I mean, you can change your bricks, you know, break out bricks with things like, I've got an angle grinder, I've got SDS drill, but the SDS drill isn't great for breaking out bricks. I'm pretty sure this will be an absolute beast. So yeah, thanks for watching. Stick around, like I said, well not stick around, but yeah, thanks for watching.